And on the final day of the parliamentary inquiry session on Wednesday, government officials came under fire for their sloppy handling of the MERS situation during the early stages.
Opposition party lawmakers also looked over the revised National Assembly law, saying the president should not veto it. Our Ji Myung has the details.
Ruling Saenuri Party lawmakers blamed the government for not being alert, despite the fact that Korea's Centers for Disease Control and Prevention was aware of the dangers of MERS a year ago.
Korea's CDC warned about MERS last December. They even held a forum on contagious disease years ago. Now MERS is in Korea. What are you going to do about this?
The Health Ministry has its own manual to counter the spread of infectious disease, based on which our Public Safety Ministry has also created a manual to deal with the current spread of virus.
The National Assembly plans to vote on a set of MERS bills Thursday that propose financial support for MERS patients and people suspected of being infected with the virus, as well as a revised healthcare law. According to the revised law, the government must release a list of patients suffering from contagious diseases with information regarding their travel routes and the hospitals they visited tracked on a real-time basis. Lawmakers also questioned Prime Minister Hwang Kyo-ahn on his thoughts about the revised parliamentary law.
What do you think about this?
From a legal perspective, we would have to conduct a more thorough assessment on whether the revised parliamentary law violates the constitutional separation of powers among the three branches of government.
This controversial law is awaiting President Park Geun-hye's approval, but she has threatened a veto as it empowers lawmakers to request changes to government ordinances. Political analysts predict that President Park will veto the revised law in the coming days, even as soon as Thursday. Ji Myung, Arirang News.